Place an egg yolk on a metal scrubber and see how this amazing trick works. A dirty oven is every homemaker's nightmare, and cleaning it can take forever. You only need one egg. Separate the white from the yolk. The yolk not only adds shine to clean surfaces, but also contains natural fats and lecithin that help dissolve burnt residue. Prepare the metal scrubber and add the yolk to it. Sprinkle everything with salt. It softens burnt grease and makes it easier to lift off. Add baking soda. Baking soda acts as a natural cleaner and tackles even tough, dried-on stains. Finally, pour vinegar over it. That's when the magic begins. The mixture starts to fizz and dissolve dirt with almost no effort. The reaction instantly loosens grime and grease. Gently scrub with the metal pad and watch all the dirt come off on its own. Even old burn marks disappear in seconds. Finish by wiping everything with a sponge. Done. Your oven shines like new without chemicals and without tiring scrubbing. It's the only method you'll ever use.